Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect a CVP monitor. First, ensure you have all the necessary equipment, such as the CVP catheter, transducer, and pressure tubing. Next, position the patient correctly, typically flat on their back, to ensure accurate readings. It is crucial to understand each component's function within the central venous pressure monitoring system for a successful setup. For the setup, you will need a pressure bag, a 500 milliliter bag of normal saline, and a transducer kit. Inflate the pressure bag to 300 millimeters of mercury. Then, attach the transducer set and carefully prime all the tubing, ensuring no air bubbles remain. Finally, connect the pressure tubing to the distal port of the central venous catheter, which is often identified by a brown color. Accurate readings depend on correct transducer placement and zeroing. Position the transducer at the phlebostatic axis, which is usually found at the fourth intercostal space in the mid-axillary line. Next, zero the transducer to atmospheric pressure by turning the stopcock off to the patient and opening it to air, then pressing the zero button on the monitor. This calibrates the system for precise central venous pressure measurement. Once connected, continuously observe the central venous pressure waveform on the monitor to confirm proper system function. Normal CVP values typically range from 2 to 8 millimeters of mercury in adults. Regularly monitor these readings and assess the catheter insertion site for any complications, such as erythema or edema. This ongoing assessment ensures patient safety and accurate hemodynamic insights.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.